Hello, good afternoon. We are Alpha Consulting Firm, and we're going to talk about our findings regarding our two clients, Lemon Bites and O Sweet. But first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fernanda Garcia. I'm Alpha's CEO. My mission and my passion is to help companies in their internationalization process. My experience comes from an MBA by Lab University of Applied Science in Finland, a marketing degree from Universidad Tech Milenio, and a leadership certificate by the Walt Disney Company. Now, I would like to start telling you about the most findings of Lemon Bites, a Dutch company that wants to enter the Mexican market. It is a family business and their owners are Rens and Max Min, with their headquarters based in Amsterdam. I would like to start by showing you the Mexican purchasing power of our segment. Here we can see that the middle class is improving. This shows us that this is a good option to grow the company in the Mexican market. One of the biggest obstacles we're facing entering the Mexican market is the corruption. Since it is a country with high levels of corruption, according to Transparency.org, Mexico's rank in Corruption Perception Index is 130 out of 180 countries, with a score of 29 out of 100. Another relevant data is that the food industry has an annual growth of 15%. This is a good signal if we want to choose the Mexican market as our destination for the internationalization of Lemon Bites. If we take into account that this is a Dutch company, we can have in mind that there are going to be some cultural differences. These are some of them. For example, Mexicans are known for being warm and welcome persons. This also includes their behavior at work. They also work long periods of time, but this doesn't always translate into high productivity. They find physical contact with others quite normal, and also they prefer face-to-face communication. Right now, we are living in moments of crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic. That's why we need to wait for the economy to recover inside and outside of Mexico to have greater probability of success in our internationalization. We estimate that August 2021 is the right time to start physically in Mexico, but filling out documents and applications should start as soon as possible. Currently in Mexico, there is no significant competition for lemon, since there is only one food truck of Dutch snacks in Mexico City called La Poferia. Besides that, there is no more direct competition. With that in mind, the best option for entry model is a wholly owned subsidiaries where we can directly control the quality of our products as well as the atmosphere at the cafe. We'll also need to make a market analysis to find out which city will be the one where Lemon Bites can grow and have the desired market dominance of 20% minimum in the first 3 months. They should definitely start with regional markets and eventually find a way to expand nationally. Now, I present you O Suite. This is a Mexican small business with their headquarters in Cancun. It began with two Mexican women, Jimena Franco and Patricia Mora, who found a blue ocean offering 100% personalized gifts. They wanted to internationalize the company to the US, so here are the most relevant findings. About their political system, as we all know, US recently had elections, and the new president, Joe Biden, is going to start the new period on January 20 of 2021. About the American economy, the industry we are targeting is responsible for the 77% of the US GDP. This means that the American economy is essentially based on services. Talking about their culture, they also have some relevant differences. Americans' environment is more informal with no apparent hierarchy. They also are very time conscious and with flexible working hours and lots of meetings to discuss and analyze their service. As our conclusion, the strategy to internationalize O-Suite will be growth by acquisition and diversification. This will allow the company to generate positioning in Mexico as an international business, and this will also open the way to potential clients in a market where it's difficult to compete. They will have to give part of the company to another with a reputation abroad for this to be possible, and as time passes they can build their own portfolio of clients and suppliers as they wish. We have a lot of dominant competition in the American markets. That's why we need to join forces with a big brand in the market so we can grow together and eventually have greater recognition with the Americans. Thanks for joining us in this presentation about our future clients. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'll leave you our contact information below so you can get in touch with us. Have a great day, and remember to create to innovate.